Gracias, chico.
De nada. That is so cool. I got you.
Hey, thanks.
No problem. Hey, you think you're gonna add that new Spider-Man too?
The kid? Yeah, maybe. Original's just my guy, you know?
Yeah, I know. Hey, is Teo's Bodega around here?
Yeah, bright yellow sign down the block. Can't miss it.
Thanks. Beautiful work, by the way. Maybe leave a little room for the new guy, just in case. The convoy. Convoy?
Not yet. We're still securing a couple inmates.
Man, it feels good seeing the guys who escaped last year going back to the raft.
Real good. The raft's an eyesore, but it's secure. As long as the octopus-related flaws have been fixed.
Let's hope. Okay, closing in on you. Be there soon. Should let Mom know I'll be late.
Miles, ¿qué tal? Did you get the shopping list?
Hey, Mom. Yeah, but, the bodega was out of coconut milk. Gonna check a store downtown.
Oh, thank you. But avoid Midtown. That prison convoy is making traffic a nightmare.
Oh, yeah. Good call. See you at dinner, Mom. Man, how does Pete do this secret identity thing? Completely stresses me out. Okay, be cool. Be cool. Helping Spider-Man protect a giant prison convoy? You can handle this. Breathe in, breathe out. Be cool. Pete! You here?
Just down in some rocket fuel.
How are you drinking?
Very, very carefully. Okay, go time.
Helix 2 en route with heavy payload. Copy, Helix 2. We've got you on scope.
This is a big operation.
It's gotta be. Hundreds of felons escaped from the raft last year. Now it's time to move them back in. Police aren't taking any chances, especially not with our guest of honor.
Getting a lot of interference here.
One of those guys who helped Doc Ock is in there?
Think so. Could be Vulture, could be Scorpion, could be someone bigger. Okay, we got a problem. Hold back, Miles. Let me take...
I got this, Pete. Don't worry.
Oh, no!
It's secure.
You're drifting, Helix 2. We have a weight imbalance. Corrector 236. casualties. Payload compromised.
Response team dispatched. Sit tight, Helix 2.
Pete, I'm sorry, man. I didn't mean to.
It's okay, we got this. Just need to contain it before... Before that happens.
Hello, tiny spiders.
Miles, I've got Rhino, but you have to contain the escapees.
Right. Contain. I'm on it.
I ain't scared of you!
He's never gonna trust me on a mission like this again.
Nice work with the helicopter, kid! Real heroic stuff!
Hey, guys. How about we call a timeout? Talk this through? Please? No? All right, then.
How's it looking out there?
Almost contained. Nearly almost contained. Can't let Pete down. I need to get this under control.
Whoa, great arm! You ever hit?
Seriously, you're tripping me easy. Whole new career, just wait for it.
Man, he's too good.
Power the street, Spider-Man!
Honestly, kind of terrifying.
Christmas and New
Never see the big guy up close like this. Freaking nuts! He's a workhorse, all right.
Not the phrase I'd use.
Holiday music. Love that one.
Wow! Just wow!
I got the keys. Let's move. Hurry up! We gotta get out of here.
Miles, I'm gonna need a hand up here! You free? Your holiday spirit's a little overzealous this year, Alexei!
Man. Hang on, Pete, I'm coming.
Wanna grab takeout? Holy crap!
That's not good.
Oh, hey, sorry, happy holidays! Pete, scale of 1 to 10. How we doing?
10 for generating spectacle, 1 for minimizing destruction! Tomorrow's Bugle headline's gonna be a doozy!
Worst thing out of this is a bad headline? I'ma count us lucky. Oh, crap, doing her best! Pete, this is starting to feel real bad, man.
Don't think like that! We're going to stop him, as long as we work together! Speaking of, mind giving me a hand up here?
Yeah, I got you. Okay, Pete. Yeah, I got this.
Take it away, Cowpoke!
Oh, wait, that's the ball.
Hang on tight, tiny spider!
Spider-Man, hey, need a little help.
Hey! Whoa!
Down and high! Gotcha! And you're safe! You too!
Spider-Man, wow! Do you have any non-destructive hobbies?
Fly fishing on the Volga.
That sounds nice.
The power over life and death.
Oh,
It
baby.
excites me.
Left, nice. Gotcha.
Thank you!
You're welcome. Don't scare baby. Hey, you know you're ruining Christmas, right?
The last 6 Christmases I was locked behind 30 feet of steel. I intend to enjoy this one.
He's a menace. Too soft. He's a low-energy menace. Too easy. Maybe he's a weak-minded. Oh!
Hey, Jonah, looking good.
Very fast.
Menace! A feckless